Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add an accordion to your WordPress website quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial, you will learn the process of incorporating an accordion element into your site through simple actions performed within the WordPress platform. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you are on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will see the login option. Click on the login button to start the authentication process. This step is important because accessing your account safely and securely ensures that you can make the necessary edits to your site without any interruption. After selecting login, you will notice an option labeled Continue with Google. This convenient option allows you to use your existing Google account for authentication, saving you time and bypassing the need to remember yet another password. Click on Continue with Google. Once prompted, select the appropriate Google account that you would like to use. This simple choice allows you to verify your identity and access the WordPress dashboard associated with your account. Once you have successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to the Quick Links section. In this area, you will find an option called Edit Site. Selecting this option takes you to the site editor where you can manage and customize your website. It is here that you have full control over how the different elements on your page are arranged and styled for the best visitor experience. After you click Edit Site, you will be taken to the interface where your website is displayed as a collection of editable sections. From here, click on your website to begin editing. This step brings you one step closer to integrating a new feature on your site, and you will soon have access to a variety of customization tools. Now that you are in the site editor, direct your attention towards the top left corner of the interface. There you will see a plus icon which indicates that a new element can be inserted into your layout. Clicking on this icon will open a menu of available options that you can add to your page. To streamline the process, type the word details into the search field provided after selecting the plus icon. This search query will narrow down the list of elements and help you locate the exact feature you need. When you see the details element appear in the list, click on it. By selecting details, you are essentially adding an accordion to your site. The accordion element allows you to display content in a compact and interactive format, where visitors can click on headers or prompts to reveal more detailed information. This feature is especially useful for frequently asked questions, product details, or any scenario where you want to conserve space on the page while still providing valuable information. Finally, after the accordion has been added to your page, add your details into the appropriate fields. Customize the content to suit your needs and ensure that the information is both clear and engaging for your readers. Once you have input all of your desired content, be sure to save your changes. This final step secures your work and makes the updated site live for your visitors. This concludes the guide on how to add an accordion to your WordPress website efficiently. By following these clear instructions, you can enhance the functionality and interactivity of your website, making it easier for your visitors to access important content in a visually appealing format. Enjoy the simplicity and effectiveness of your newly added accordion feature on WordPress.